One ICT problem for a day. Today we're gonna looking at a math problem. Seriously, this type of questions will probably occur on the very last end of the math section in ICT test, because they're meant to be tricky, and students often struggle with them because they're trying to plug -3 into these two functions, and it really doesn't work out because they're trying to graph the functions, how does it look like, and trying to find the accurate minimum value on the graph. Well, you have to remember on the ICT test, the most important thing is the time. And there's not really much time for you to actually draw the graphs and finding these. So today I'm going to show you a quick and fast way on how to find the answers for this. First of all, we have to identify what type of functions is these. So first of all, we can know there's a negative sign in both of them. So which means they're both decreasing functions, and more accurately, they're decreasing exponential functions. One thing you have to remember is that if a function of x is decreasing, as the value of x increases, the corresponding value of f of x decreases. Can you really see that? Like in your head, you can imagine that it's like a decreasing function really doesn't have any minimum values. Their minimum values is actually -infinity. So if we want to draw the function really quick, it's pretty much like this. Yeah, definitely they're not drawn on scale, but I just want to show you how does it look like if we want to graph it. So you can see that in here, this is our minimum values, or it's supposed to be, but it actually approaching -infinity. So there's actually no minimum values for both of the functions. So that will leave us to answer D. And you can actually see this. It's you don't really have to do any calculations, or you have to find the x and y intercept, x and y coordinates for this. You just have to know the properties for the functions, and in this case especially the decreasing functions, and being able to know that, it really helps you to finding the answers for the question. And I hope it helps. See you next time.